Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how much does it cost to build your own online business. Now this is very important guys because you need to budget your money, you need to hold on to your money and make sure you can invest on your own business. So I'm going to answer the question real soon here. How much does it really cost to build an online business? Well, here's the answer guys. $0. $0. That's right. Let me tell you how, guys. The thing is, all you got to do is open a YouTube channel and you're done. You are done. YouTube channel is a search engine as it is. So when have you ever done a search on in Google, and especially in Google, most people do Google, and Google owns YouTube. So have you ever searched on YouTube and you found some answers, you got some websites, but if your search happens to have that particular search and there's a video about that, the videos will show up in the second or third ranking right there. How to do this or how to do that. You get some articles, but you get videos. Most people nowadays, they like videos. They like watching videos rather than reading a long article when the video can show you how to do it. If it's something mechanical, heck, it could be something about writing, it could be anything. Most people, most of you viewing this channel right now, you prefer video. I prefer video a lot of times too, rather than reading. So it costs $0, guys. Now you can pay for a website also, and there's advantages of paying for a website. And paying for a website, guys, is absolutely inexpensive. Very, very, very inexpensive. I pay for a website that cost me $29 a month. And guys, that is absolutely expensive for when I do it, because the website is called SiteSell, and this thing, this is it pays for all the hosts, and it gives you all kinds of analytics. It has this all kinds of analytics for search engines and searching options and all those things where you can actually get those pretty cheap or free if you want to, but this particular one puts everything all together. It's called SiteSell, and it's not really needed if you really don't want it, but it's very, very useful. So I just happen to use that one for a few years. It works pretty well. There's if you want to communicate with your readers, you can contact thousands and thousands of people, have thousands of emails with an application that you can use online called Aweber, and it's one of the best ones. It's one of the most used and email services out there, most user friendly, and one of the best ones out there, Aweber. And that one I checked the other day cost me $20 a month. And it's very useful if you want to actually engage with your readers and let them know, hey, here's the next article, here's the next video that I posted, or something useful. Or if you eventually want to start selling stuff, then you sell stuff. But the basic is YouTube. And can you just make money out of YouTube? Absolutely. Absolutely, you can make money on YouTube. You can make money on anything. You know, the one thing you have to do is just stay consistent. Find something that you love to do and do it. The trick is to stay consistent and just keep doing it. Love it. Make it as simple as possible, guys. Set yourself up as simple as possible and do it. Perfectionism is an enemy of getting things done. So that's what it is, guys. How much does it take how much money does it take to build your own business online? Is $0. I'd be happy to show you in further videos how do you make money online. There's affiliate marketing, there's You can sell your own products if you want to, but without any even developing any money, any items yourself. You can just sell other people's stuff for free. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Growth and Mastery, and give me a comment. Ask me what do you want to see next, or ask me any questions or any suggestions for any further videos. Thank you so much, and as always, I want you to grow and master your life.